Today we're going to show you how to properly collect tree and shrub samples with the V5 method.
If possible, take pictures to accompany your sample. Get close-ups of the symptoms, a shot of the whole plant, and wide-angle views of its surroundings. Digital images can be submitted online along with the sample information. Take samples from plants with visible disease symptoms, but not one that has been dead for months. Include foliage with spots and any branches that are wilting or dying back. Trace the affected branches downward to see if there are any cankers. These may appear as dead, sunken, or cracked areas on the bark, but you may need to cut away some of the bark to be sure. Gum or resin flow is another clue that there may be a canker underneath. If cankers are present, the branches you send should include several inches on both sides of the transition zone between healthy and diseased wood. If we look at the end of this branch, we can see how both are present. Foliar symptoms are often caused by a problem with the roots or soil, so be sure to include a generous double handful of fine roots in about a quart of soil. Dig, do not pull them from the ground. Make sure that you get roots from the tree or shrub in question and not just from a neighboring plant. Do not add any water to the bag. Wrap the foliage and branches separately. The best sample is the entire tree or shrub, but this is often impractical. If you do send a whole plant, wrap the root ball in a separate bag, then the rest of the plant. If you know you are going to remove this tree or shrub but cannot send the whole thing, include with your sample sections or chips from the base of the trunk plus some of the larger roots. There are certain diseases that can only be diagnosed in this way. If you will be sending your sample in the mail or via a package delivery service, see the companion video on sample, packaging, and shipping.